Do you feel like you don't speak enough Norwegian? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Welcome to NorwegianClass101.com's Norsk på 3 minutter. The fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Norwegian. Hei, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig å møte dere. Hi, I'm Nora. Nice to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn basic Norwegian expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Norwegian. You only need to know 2 sentences. Let's see how Norwegian people introduce themselves. Hei, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hi, I'm Nora. Nice to meet you. Hei, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig å møte deg. Start by saying, Hei, jeg heter. Then say your name. Hei, jeg heter Nora. Finally, say hyggelig å møte deg. Hei, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig å møte deg. And now let's see the same sentence in a different format. Hallo, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig. Hello. My name is Nora. Nice to meet you. Hallo, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig. So, what has changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a close look at these together. Hei has been substituted with an alternative greeting, hallo, Norwegian for hello. In a formal setting, you would say your full name, but it is better to just use your first name when being introduced to new friends. Hyggelig å møte deg has been shortened to just hyggelig. When meeting someone in a formal context, for instance at work, hyggelig å møte deg would be the most appropriate greeting. When being introduced to new friends, hyggelig will do. One more time. One way to introduce yourself in Norwegian is Hei, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig å møte deg. An alternative way to introduce yourself is Hallo, jeg heter Nora. Hyggelig. Now it's time for Nora's insights. When you introduce yourself, it's a good habit to shake hands in Norway. While hyggelig å møte deg is slightly more formal than just hyggelig, you don't need to worry too much about which one you use. If you use one of these sentences with Norwegian people, they're definitely going to be impressed. Do you know how we say thank you in Norwegian? You'll learn how to say this and many other words in the next Norsk på 3 minutter lesson. Takk, og ses neste gang. See you then.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det bra.
Once more with the English translation.
Hvordan har moren din det?
How's your mother?
Hun har det bra.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
Hvordan har moren din det?
listen to it again.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hvordan har moren din det?
This Norwegian sentence literally means, how has your mother it? But it translates as, how's your mother in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Hun har det.
state of well-being. This Norwegian sentence literally means she has it, state of well-being, but it translates as she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Hun har det bra. Hun har det bra.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
Flott. Flott.
fine,
Bra. Bra.
so-so,
Noenlunde. Noenlunde.
not good,
Ikke bra. Ikke bra.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det flott. Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det noenlunde. Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det ikke bra.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, how's your mother?
Hvordan har moren din det?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, great?
Flott. Flott.
Say, she's great.
Hun har det flott.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det flott.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
Noenlunde. Noenlunde.
Say, she's so-so.
Hun har det noenlunde.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det noenlunde.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
Ikke bra. Ikke bra.
Say, she's not good.
Hun har det ikke bra.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
Hvordan har moren din det? Hun har det ikke ikke bra.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Hi everybody, this is Annette from NorwegianClass101.com. Today we're looking at how to respond to the phrase "How are you?" in Norwegian. So let's get started. Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Bare bra takk. Just fine thanks. Og du? And you? Og du? And you? Hvordan har du hatt det i det siste? How have you been recently? Hvordan har du hatt det i det siste? How have you been recently? Hvordan har du hatt det i det siste? Helt forferdelig. Totally horrible. Jeg har det bra. I'm fine. Jeg har det bra. And Norwegians are very bad at small talk, so the conversation might just die after jeg har det bra. Okay. Jeg har det greit. I'm not bad. Jeg har det greit. I'm not bad. Yeah, you know, life goes on. It's not bad. It is what it is. Livet går videre. Life goes on. Jeg trøtt. I'm sleepy. Jeg trøtt. I'm sleepy. Denne kjedelige samtalen gjør meg trøtt. This boring conversation is making me sleepy. Jeg føler meg dårlig. I'm feeling bad. Jeg føler meg dårlig. I'm feeling bad. Right now it's winter here, so a lot of people, you know, get the flu or get really heavy colds and stuff. So at this time of the year, it's a very commonly used phrase. Jeg må ta fri fra jobb fordi jeg føler meg dårlig. I have to take a day off work because I'm feeling bad. Jeg okay. I'm okay. Jeg okay. I'm okay. Okay is a very commonly used word in Norwegian as well, so if you don't remember your Norwegian, just say okay. Jeg har det flott. I'm great. Jeg har det flott. I'm great. Actually, my hometown Bergen is infamous for a lot of rain. So this is not a phrase you can use that often if you visit Bergen, unless you visit in the summer and you're lucky. Takk for at du spurte. Thank you for asking. Takk for at du spurte. Thank you for asking. You can also say tusen takk, which means literally 1,000 thanks, or mange takk, which means many thanks. Okay, everybody, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You've just learned how to respond to "How are you?" in Norwegian. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or phrases you like to use in Norwegian, you can leave them in the comment section below. And we'll see each other again next week. Goodbye, ha det bra!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.